Guys, if you are into Bitcoin, this is the hot news right now, and especially if you are into the Bitcoin ETFs, the exchange traded funds, then you wouldn't want to miss this news. So, Grayscale, which is one of the largest companies holding Bitcoin, says that fees on its Bitcoins ETF will drop over time after outflow hits $12 billion. I've summarized this whole article for you. Let's dive into it. So this is what you need to know. So Grayscale's CEO Michael Sonnenshein announced plans to reduce fees on its Bitcoin ETFs, which is also known by the ticker GBTC, over time, responding to its over $12 billion in outflow since its January conversion into an ETF. Now $12 billion of outflow is a huge amount, guys. So the question is, why are we hearing this now? So the fees reduction aims to make GBTC more competitive, countering criticisms of its higher than average fees. I'll let you know in a bit what the fees actually is. And also Grayscale is exploring cost-effective alternatives for investors, including mini version of its Bitcoin ETF with lower fees. Now, I think if they have to get it to the masses, then they really need to do something sort of like mini version of its Bitcoin ETF. Now let's talk about the current scenarios. So the firm has faced significant outflows, and it is partly due to the bankruptcy of FTX. We know about that, and that has led to some mistrust in the crypto space. And also FTX, a major holder of GBTC, which liquidated most of its share. Despite these challenges, Grayscale maintains that the GBTC's liquidity and diverse shareholder base is strong. Well, we would hope that it's actually strong. Also, talking about the fees that I mentioned earlier, Grayscale right now charges 1.5% management fees for GBTC, which is significantly higher than many ETF providers, justified by GBTC's liquid and track record. Also, what's in the store for the future? So the firm is introducing a Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust ETF with a lower fees than GBTC, and it's right now awaiting SEC approval, which is the Securities and the Exchange Commission. Also, Grayscale is looking to expand its crypto investment products range to beyond Bitcoin. Now, this would also include efforts to convert its Ethereum trust into an ETF. And you know, Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. So this also seems to be an interesting move. Let's see how it turns out to be. And on this channel, I post a lot of updates on Bitcoin and stuff that you have to know about Bitcoin. So subscribe if you don't want to miss anything related to Bitcoin.